solve a linear system of two equations and two unknowns. Hello everyone. We are here with a practical topic in solving unknowns. Let's start with an example. The sum of the two values is 18 and the subtraction of them is 20. How much is each of them? This is where the system of two equations and two unknowns plays a role. In this video, we will solve it in the simplest way as possible. After this video, you can solve the system of two equations with two unknowns. Stay with us, dear ones. Let's start with an example. The sum of the two values is 80 and the subtraction of them is 20. How much is each of them? What should we do? Take the one parameter, for example, of x, and the second one as y. Now, we will write it mathematically. The first value, that is x, plus the second first, that is a y, equal to 80. And we write their difference in the same way. Okay? Now, if we get the unknown value x, y, the work is done. You must calculate x and y. In the first step, start standardizations of the equations. How about it? This is, you write the unknown on the left and the right, the remaining number on the right side of the equations. Be careful on the left side too. If you write the unknown x first, x will also be first the second equations. For example, if y plus x equal 80, and the second equal is about you must to bring y to the seconds, keeping the sign, and bring x to the left, keep it sign. And you must to replace x and y and rewrite the equations. And the second one, excuse me, okay, 20. And you see the pictures. For example, rewrite again so that is arranged to that when we write the two equations, the sentence contain x and y, and the number are in the column. Step 2. Choose an unknown of your choice, x or y. Here, for example, we choose x. And then we take the coefficient of the one of the x, we multiply its coefficients by minus 1. And we multiply its coefficient, and then we multiply each parameter of the second equations. Okay? Minus 1, and multiply each parameter of the second equation. For example, if the upper back of x was minus 2, and the second one is, you must multiply minus 1 to minus 2, and you must to multiply plus 2 to each parameter of the equations. Okay? And this gives us a new pair of equation. We rewrite them. Okay? Step 3. Calculate the unknowns. New equation with add obtained result together, and the left side becomes 2y, the right side becomes 60, as you see in these pictures. Okay, so y is obtained with the simplest division of the 30, and the first unknown was obtained. What should we do to obtain the second unknown, or x? In each of the equation, instead of y, we put its value, and unknown x remain at the end, which is easily calculated. Here I choose the first equation and put y into it. I put 30 instead of the y, and x is easily obtained 50. Well, the value of x and y were obtained 50 and 30. And now you can solve the following equations, and that is calculate x and y, and please send it to us. Summary discussions. Dear friends, in solving problem in any field of study, whether in school or university or in a practical work, the system of the two equation and two unknown is used. Especially one of the application of this topic in the civil engineering is in the discussion of equilibrium at the end of problems, which involve two equations with two unknowns. We needed a method so that we would no longer have to guess it, but we could easily calculate the two unknowns on paper. In this education series, in the Abulfaz Bijari company connected the problem with the scenario method. Follow our channel, turn on the bell, and be among the first to see the new content. Follow our website and YouTube channel to stay one step ahead of the rest. In this video, we taught you the problem the professional way, and you saw how interesting it can be solve the problem of two equations and two unknowns with a simple step-by-step. Let's remind ourselves that it is important how to reach the destination. Until the next professional training, my dears.